well, but I do know this. She'll be back to me someday. 'Cause I stole her insulin. My God. Yeah, I stole her insulin. My Lord. Well, she'll be sorry. She said it was over when she's deep inside her diabetic coma. And now she needs me in a way that science can't understand. Please take my hand, and I'll give you all the